Online today. Okay guys, we will be looking at a different topic today: how to micro milk the boom and crash market. Okay, that is what we'll be checking out in today's video. Okay, it's a bit by bit process of making money within the boom and crash assets. Okay, this is very important, and it is very good for the novice, for the newbies, and of course it is also very good for those that do not really have enough time to stay in the market for a very long time. And of course guys, it can help you to broaden your knowledge about boom and crash. So if you have been looking for a sure way to milk the market with this strategy, then within the boom and crash market, then definitely you need to watch this video to the end, because this strategy will help you to know how to milk the market for a very long time. So guys, we will be checking that out right away. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we will be checking out how we can micro milk the boom and crash assets. Okay, but before you can do that, you need to have some things in place and to have a few knowledge about the market. The first thing you need to know is how to identify your trend, because your trend will help you to know what to do whenever you are trading. Okay, to help you to know your entry point and your exit point, then you should be able to identify your support and resistance levels. Okay, then apart from knowing all this, then you should be able to know the right trend to trade each of the assets in order for you to get the right result you need to get. Then the right support, or if it is to follow the support or resistance zone for each of these assets, you need to know this, so that you need to know the one that will work for the asset or the particular trade you want to go into. Okay, so having known this, then you can now take your chart to 5-minute time frame and have a good setup like what we have right here. So this is what I want us to do. Okay, for now we are not going to focus on the spikes, we're just going to focus on the normal trend, but I just want you to follow some basic principles so that you will understand what I'm trying to say, and you will be able to put it into practice and achieve the same results. Okay, so these are some of the things that we want to check out in this video, and probably in my next video I'm going to trash it out more so that you guys will understand what we are talking about and how to handle the situation whenever you are trading. Okay, first of all, since we are not trading the spiky part, so we focusing more on boom in this video. Okay, so which means we will be focusing more on the trend that favors how to sell boom. Okay, and the best trend for that is the downtrend. And how do we identify that? Most of the time it usually starts from where it usually starts around a major resistance zone. Okay, so we might not really be able to identify this, or when we will be having a major reversal like this, but if we have a good setup like this, we can easily know this. Okay, so for instance, this is the green bars. Okay, this shows that the market is on uptrend, but right here it started a downtrend from here. Okay, so we can see that at this major resistance zone is when the trend started, so it started from here. Okay, so what do we need to do? We just need to focus on the trend that supports, the signal that supports the trend signal. Okay, the trading signal that supports the trend signal, and that is all we need to do, because within the sell region, within the downtrend, we will be having more sell trades than the buy trades. That is why the market is just going down and down till it got to this support zone, and right from here where the bar is green, we will be having more buy trade than sell trade. Okay, most especially once it breaks out from this resistance zone. So let's see how this actually works. Okay, like I said, make sure your your chart is on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so all you need to do is just to follow this arrow, the red arrow. Once you see the red arrow coming out, you can always place your order. So just come in and place your order. Okay, come in and place your order. Don't really disturb yourself about the spike that may likely happen in between the trade. Okay, because you are within the downtrend. For instance, let's say you decide to come in around here, and check it out, it has spiked up till it got to this region. That means that you will be in red at that particular time. But check it out, it still came down to that level, spiked up again, came down till it puts you in profit. So it will definitely put you in profit at the end of the day, because the market is on downtrend. So that is very, very important. So that is giving us more assurance, and it is giving us a kind of peace of mind that our trade will definitely end up in profit. But there is one thing I need you to know: you need to use the right lot size that your capital can control. Okay, you need to use that too. So don't be too much in an hurry to make profit. Okay, you should be able to put all this in total control, so that you can control your capital for a very long time. Okay, so while you are trading within the market, because it is not possible to trade all the time without seeing red. You definitely see red, but for how long can the red go? Okay, and how soon can you get into the blue region so that you can start making some profit? All these are very, very important. So you should get used to it. Also, you should get used to red and be able to use your capital to control, your lot size, to control whatever that is happening within the market. Okay, so all these are very, very important. So what do you need to do? You only come in when you see the red signal. So you can come in right here when you see the red signal and sell till you have your blue signal popping out. Okay, once you have your blue, this is just the first method. Okay, it is just the easiest part of it. So don't worry, in my next video I will be sharing with you how you can place so many orders within this region to this region and close them quickly in profit before any spike will happen. That is what we'll be checking out in my next video. That is why I said micro milking the market. That is, you are not going to be staying there for a very long time. You are going to be there and milk the market, and the little you are adding up together, you will be surprised that within a short period you would have made a lot of profit. I tried this out over the weekend and I made a lot of profits with it. Okay, I was just micro milking. I was just testing the strategy because I was looking for something that would be much more comfortable for a newbie to start with and see how much they can make within a short period. Then I'm also looking at most newbies are always coming with a small trading capital. How can they be confident that they won't lose they won't burn off their capital within a short period? So if they can make a few profit within a very short period of time, then definitely gradually they will be building their confidence within the market till they are able to perfect their trading activities. So this is one major reasons why I came up with this strategy. Okay, and of course I'm working on this strategy on some other trading tools so that we can also automate the whole process. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. So within this region and this region, do you know that you can make a lot of profit from there? All you need to do is just to follow the signal. That is the first strategy. Follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, right now the market is on red, so definitely the sell trend, the sell signal is what you should go for. So once you see your sell arrow place an order and close it once you see your blue arrow. Okay, then wait for the next red arrow. Once you see it, place an order and close it once you see your blue arrow. Wait for the next one, place an order and close it when you see your blue arrow. So that is what I want you to focus on in today's trade. So all I need you to do is just to go back to your chart and have this set up. You can try it out on your demo account first and check out the trend. Make sure you are able to identify the trend, you are able to identify your resistance zone, and make sure you go in with the signal that supports with the that support the trend. Then of course close your trade once you see the exit arrow. So I will be stopping right here. I want you to practice this and get back to me with your result. Let's see if this works out, if it works out fine for you or not. Okay, if it does, good. If it does not, let me know so that we can see what is going wrong with our method and see if you are getting it wrong, or probably I need to add a little things to it, some things to it, so that you can easily do it right. Okay, so I need to get your feedback on this so that I will know if you guys are really getting it right. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God